take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crawls.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'm going to do my nails and my toes, like much needed, right? Yeah, you gotta pamper yourself sometime. So might get my lashes done too. I forgot my lashes at home, because sometimes I like to bring my own lashes, because sometimes when them do it make it feel, I don't know what kind of lash they use, but yeah, I don't like that. But yeah, guys, so I'm on the plains. I'm about to get my nails done and my toes done, like I said before. So let's see how this works out now. Mr. Chat, I don't know if I want to do a bubble nail, duck nail, pointy, long or short. I don't know, I got a nice design though that I want to do. So I'm gonna see. And no, I'm not taking out my braids. I'm keeping my braids in, because as you can see, they look fresh, right? Because I already tighten around the sides, the edges. So I'm keeping my braids in. Yeah. Now, but I take out my braids. Can't do with no straight hair right now. We may have a flat iron and all them something. I don't got time for that. Yeah. It's the infamous Hamayam. See how you doing here? And I get a door. Foot a do trot. Two of them will get suck off no trot. Yummy. Sammy with the fatty. I be having to lift my shirt every minute so people don't think I'm pregnant. I know, baby. Yo, I need a drink. This shit crazy. I'm gonna get this taken. But I like the idea of this a perch trip on me. But y'all and y'all really flat. Yeah. Big mama, one kid. Not the little one. You guys don't know Sammy. Sammy, the mother man. No, what is wrong with you? Yeah, that's how that nigga be over me, bro. He be laying next to me, he'll start breathing. He'll go. Cause you don't like that breathing shit. Like, don't hold your breath when you're around me, nigga. I hate when people breathe around me. Shut up. Get the fuck away from me before I get tight. You're not going before the store closed? They close 6:45. I'm going 6:40. Huh? They close 6:45. She said it closed 6:45. She go 6:40. No, I'm not going. You going all the way down this side? 226. Mama, I mean right down the corner. It's one block away. That's cool. I just need. Should I do them this long, vlog? I have kids, I can't do my nails this long. I have young kids. You know, so should I bring my eyelash vlog? I forgot my eyelash. So I'm gonna make eyelash.
Oh, I purchase, mine and purchase. Look at I'm pepper, listen me. Oh, just let me tell you, trust bro. Just let me use my face so. 消息挑明，没事到处之后就是 my life。I fuck you，呼吸红可难跟别的自由，没人帮我，我只自救。他面着。 俺啤酒没人开始真话，我的被下架了才会优秀。我的仿佛相信上帝，相信我自己，相信我家人，相信我兄弟，相信眼前会属于我的意志力。我穿着廉价的大牌，就高贵的我曾经的小孩，黑怕吃了我的亲人，提着比基尼是所有的玩具熏到凌晨。OK OK，No way No way，不是些 logo OK OK，我是些假的 OK OK，我是上假的 OK OK，我和自己闭嘴，把机会留给没胆子的 fake MC，让家长去世去没把脉，我永远不可能闭嘴。Why？离了消息我才开始玩 Masco，比抢老板们带孩子，像神枪手苗，把Masco比打成筛子。我在努力的机会很多，你是情况，所以我才可说。
About to be 64. I'm about to be 64.
Big up Annie. Y'all should see my toes. They're gonna get sucked. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Sorry.
My dear, worries in the dance, worries tonight, worries at it.
This is not the cool sister. My bad. It's the parental advisory sister.
Nah, I don't care about that. You saying it on the tube.
Anything you wanna say? Yeah, I hate people like that. Don't ever put no camera in my face like niggas are trying to get me for a good mugshot. Don't do that. Or like, I do know they put the camera in your face like a pitney. And kids be like, you got games? I hate that. You doing white? Oh my god, thank you. You're making me so happy.
No, I should really do yellow or something.
You should have did red and pink, and I told you that. Jumping my baby in his sleep. You know how much night he wake up with Chanel foot in his mouth?
Okay, chat. This is another end result.
We are like 85% in.
Yeah, I'm putting all the stuff on it now. Yeah, chat, so this is the end result. My nails and my toes. Because she did that, right? She did that. So that's, yeah man, I saw girl foot and nails pull up, man. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey guys, so welcome back. It's another day, many days later. Because you know I went to get my nails done. So today I'm at the dentist. Come for check out my teeth and get it clean. And I don't know if I get a cavity right or but my teeth hurt me. So I come for them check out all of that because I don't do teeth problem. Me and teeth problem no go together. So yeah. I don't know, the lighting in here is not lighting. Yeah. And I forgot my tripod with my light. So I guess this just I forgot for now. Yeah. You guys like my nails, right? Yeah, so right now I'm just wait until them call me. Guys, they're about to take x-rays of my teeth. But you know I gotta make this quick because I can't really vlog in here. They are very strict when it comes to the dentist. So they're about to take x-rays right now. Yeah guys, so we just finished doing the x-ray from my teeth. So now I'm about to get my teeth clean. And then I'm gonna see what's going on with my teeth. Because honestly I don't know why my teeth are sensitive right now. So like even if I wash, when I brush my teeth and wash my mouth, my teeth feel very sensitive. So they're about to tell me if I have a cavity or what. I know I eat a whole heap of candy. I always eat candy, I always eat Snicker bar and them something. So let's see. Hopefully I don't have a cavity because I don't really do cavity in my mouth. I don't have cavity on them someday. But yeah. That's how we put a doctor. Because, you know, so as soon as she comes, she's going to be like, oh my God, no camera, no videoing. So, yeah, guys. You know, you have to get them out, sort out. Yeah, you can't walk around with frowns in mouth and bad teeth and them something. Me not do frowns in mouth and me not do bad teeth. Yeah. Right now, I get it clean. I need a teeth whitening. I need to whiten my teeth more. You know, from drinking pure coffee. Yeah, but I need my teeth for whiten and that. But yeah, take care of yourself, guys, and make sure the mouth always clean. And make sure the teeth them always up to date. Make sure you always a book with a dentist appointment. And take care of the hygiene. Yeah. Honestly, nobody come tell me say my mouth stink. None of them stinking mouth something. None of them rotten teeth something. On Monday, and the kids them me go bring. They have to make sure so they fit in their mouth good too. Yeah. But dear are gonna need then dear are gonna need braces. Yeah. But yep. Yeah guys, so them just done clean the teeth. I'm gonna check now to see if I have my cavity in there. So let's see. Hey guys, them 2 teeth here. Yeah, I'm gonna check again to see what I'm going with it because she not see no cavity, but my teeth hurt me. So she's gonna check. I'll see. Okay guys, so I just got back from the dentist. I just got out the dentist, I should say. So them find a little cavity up here, so yeah. First in my life, my grown life, me I come get cavity. I'm there I constantly putting them all the time and I say them need to stop eat candy. But it look like I mean need to stop eat candy. Because all of a sudden I have a cavity up here, so it's not big though, they say it's a small one. So I'm making another appointment to come back and fill up that real quick. So I don't know, but I have a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna think I can't stop eat candy. But thank God it's a small one and not a big one. But I didn't give y'all my outfit of the day, right? But I don't know if I can see it because due to all outside set up with the light, look like the lighting is better this way, right? Yeah, so I have my LV book bag and a cute little brown outfit. I don't know if I can see it, but yeah. Guys, me that one nice little eyebrow place. I'm about to do my lashes. Yeah. And my first time I do it right, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it good. Normally I'm gonna afford them, but let's see. Yeah guys, so I don't know. I think no one do much. I think I have my eyebrow for thread still, you know. Okay, so thin my eyebrow is. But even though when it threads still, it lasts longer. I just get this out when the woman hold my face. But anyways, yeah. I'm gonna do my lash. And I think I'm gonna do a threading. Normally I'm gonna go for them like I said, but I ain't gonna for them right now. Yeah, not time for go down this right now. I'm just gonna stay with family up on Gun Hill on the streets. Yeah. I'm gonna take my camera vlog guys because the sign says once you take service you can't have your phone. So everybody's so strict. So we'll see.
When I wake up, I'm feeling my S. I bend over, I do my little stretch. Ain't no jellyfish, but I'm the catch. Feel like that fish, so I'm puffing my chest. I blow bubbles so big like Mrs. Puff. I be locked in like no, this isn't luck. Ain't fancy like no, this isn't chump. With my bestie like everything fun. Big God, big God, big God, big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Big God. Big God, big God, big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Big things about to happen at 8. I woke up feeling a brand new way. Fixing the world in a brand new way. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Take this square hips, doing a the guests for my big guy pants. The baddest, the top of the list I am. And on my purse, they came fresh out of clamp. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. When wake up, I'm feeling my best. They think about to happen today. I bend over, I do my little stretch. I woke up feeling a brand new way. Ain't no jellyfish, but I'm the catch. Fixing the world in a brand new way. Feel like that fish, so I'm puffing my chest. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.